Here's how to get Roblox Plus. So the first step is to open Roblox, and then you just have to click on the Robux icon in the top right corner. Then click on buy Robux, and then from here we just have to scroll down until we see new on Roblox. So as you can see, we have 4 different plans. So we have the Roblox Plus one, which basically gives you 10% off in-game items, avatars and more, free private servers, and you can send Robux for free. Now this plan here, as you can see, you can try it for free. Then we have the other one, which is plus 500. So basically we get every month 500 Robux with this plan. Then we have this one, which is plus 1000. We get 1000 Robux every month. And then we have the last one, which gets us 2000 Robux every month. So what we're gonna have to do is simply pick our plan and click on it. Now after that, we're gonna have to simply choose our payment method, and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.